Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Learn with Surbhi. In the continuation of algebraic identities, now we will learn about identity 3. In our previous video, algebraic identities part 1 and algebraic identities part 2, we have already learned about identity 1, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and identity 2, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Both the identities have been explained with examples in the videos. The link has been provided at the top right corner of this video. Also, the link has been provided in the description of this video, so you can go through with those videos. Now, let's start identity 3. According to the identity 3, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Let's check how we get this identity. Take right hand side. Multiply a plus b by a plus b multiplied by a. Put minus sign over here. Now multiply a plus b by b. Now multiply a square plus, we got ab. Put minus sign over here. After multiplication, I got ab plus minus minus. After multiplication, I got b square. This is plus ab, this is minus ab. We can cross these. So now we are left with a square माइनस बी स्क्वायर. हमने इन दोनों को क्रॉस क्यों किया? क्योंकि दिस इज प्लस ए बी एंड दिस इज माइनस ए बी. आपस में दोनों क्रॉस हो गए. नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विद ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. Let's take an example. In this, find the product using identity 3. 5ab minus 8c multiplied by 5ab plus 8c. We have to use identity 3. That is a minus b multiplied by a plus b. A is equal to 5ab and b is equal to 8c. This is a minus b and this is a plus b. Now put the values of a and b in the identity, and according to identity 3, using identity 3, a minus b multiplied by a plus b, we get a square minus b square. Now put the values. 5ab minus 8c multiplied by 5ab minus 5ab plus 8c is equal to, put the value of a over here, that is 5ab whole square, minus, put the value of b, that is 8c whole square. What we will get? Square of 5, that is 25. Square of a, that is a square. Square of b, that is b square. Minus square of 8, that is 64. Square of c, that is c square. And this is the answer. Let's do one more question. In this, x by 3 minus 1 by 2 multiplied by x by 3 plus 5 by 2. We have to use identity 3. Using identity 3, where a is equal to x by 3 and b is equal to y by 2. According to identity 3, a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Let's put the values of a and b in this identity. A minus b, that is x by 3 minus y by 2 multiplied by x by 3 plus y by 2. A square, that is x by 3 whole square minus b square, that is y by 2 whole square. what we will get? X by 3 whole square, that is x square by square of 3, that is 9, minus square of y, that is y square, by square of 2, that is 4. This is our answer. We have to find the product using identity 3. According to identity 3, a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, where a is equal to 0.1 m and b is equal to 0.2 n. Put the values on right hand side. A square minus b square, that is 0.1 m whole square minus 0.2 n whole square. 0.1 m square, we will get 0.01 m square minus 0.04. 2 2s are 4 n square. In the next question, a cube plus b cube multiplied by a cube minus b cube. In this, let's take a as a cube and b as b cube using identity 3, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Put the value of a, that is a cube, to the power 2 minus put the value of b over here, that is b cube to the power 2. हमें क्या करना होगा? इन पावर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. So the answer will be a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6. Let's do one more question. In this, evaluate by using identity 3. The question is 367 to the power 2 minus 33 to the power 2. Using identity 3, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b, where a is equal to 367 and b is equal to 33. Now put the values of a and b in this identity. So we will get 367 to the power 2 minus 33 to the power 2, that is equal to 367 plus 33 multiplied by 367 minus 33. 367 plus 33, that is 400. Put the multiplication sign over here. 367 minus 33, that is 334. Now it is very simple to multiply 334 by 400. 4 4s are 16. 1 in my mind. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. And place 2 zeros in front of this. So the answer is 1,33,600. Dear students, generally इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में आपका एक पार्ट राउंड फिगर में आ जाता है, जैसे 400. तो आपका आंसर बहुत इजी हो जाता है एंड यू कैन फाइंड द मल्टीप्लिकेशन वेरी इजीली. ओके, लेट्स टेक अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन इन दिस. Simplify the products by expressing as a difference of two squares. Difference of two squares, that is a square minus b square. It means in the question they are talking about algebraic identity 3. As we know, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Let's take the question. The question is 107 multiplied by 93. Now you have to express the product as a difference of two squares. Dear students, जब हम इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस करते हैं तो हमें नंबर्स को बायनोमियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना होता है, और बायनोमियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हुए हमें इस चीज का ध्यान रखना होगा कि दोनों नंबर्स, दैट इज 107 एंड दैट इज 93, दोनों के लिए बेस नंबर सेम हो. आप इसमें देख सकते हैं दिस इज 100 प्लस 7 एंड दिस इज 100 माइनस 7. सो एट द प्लेस ऑफ a we can write it as 100. At the place of b we can write it as 7, that is 107, multiplied by A, that is 100, minus 7, that is 93. So the condition is fulfilled. Now we can find the answer very easily. Using identity 3, A plus B multiplied by A minus B is equal to A square minus B square, that is A square, that is square of 100, minus B square, that is square of 7. Square of 100 we got 10,000, minus square of 7, that is 49, and the answer will be 9,951. In the same question, simplify the products by expressing as a difference of two squares. Let's take one more example. We have to find the product of 30.9 and 29.1. बेटा डेसिमल नंबर्स को देखकर कभी भी घबराना नहीं है, बहुत सिंपल होता है इन क्वेश्चंस को भी हैंडल करना. वी कैन सी दिस इज 30 plus 0.9 and this is 30 minus 0.9. Let's see, convert these numbers in binomial form, that is 30 plus 0.9 multiplied by 30 minus 0.9, where A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 0.9. Now using identity 3, A plus B multiplied by A minus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. Put the values of A and B in this, that is 30 plus 0.9 multiplied by 30 minus 0.9, that is square of 30 minus square of 0.9. Square of 30, that is 900, as 3 3s are 9 and place 2 zeros after 9, minus square of 0.9, that is 0.81. After subtraction we got the answer 899.19. कितना आसान है इसको करना. आपको डेसिमल नंबर से बिल्कुल भी नहीं घबराना. आपको ये देखना है कि हम किस तरीके से इसको बाइनोमियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं कि दोनों तरफ हमारा A एंड B कॉमन आए. आप इसको बहुत इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज 30 प्लस 0.9, दिस इज 30 माइनस 0.9. फिर आप इसको इजीली हैंडल कर लेंगे. ओके.